Hi there, students. Gelid, gelid. This is an adjective. I guess you could have gelidly as well, as an adverb, and even gelidness, the noun of the quality. Okay, gelid means extremely cold, icy, frozen. So, a gelid winter landscape, yeah? Cold, frosty, icy, yeah? The gelid windows were covered in icicles, or were covered in frost. Okay, so this is just a rather formal word, a rather literary word to mean frozen, icy, arctic, polar, frosty, ice cold. And then if you're clever, you can use this as more metaphorically. He gave me a gelid look. The gelidness, or even the gelidity of his look, froze my heart. It showed exactly how cold how angry he was. Okay, this is talking about intense cold, but use it metaphorically to mean lack of emotion, anger, yeah. Or yes, he was a person of gelid reserve. Yeah, it was almost impossible to get through the icy outer layer. Yeah. Okay, so gelid. This is just a good word for frozen. Yeah. The gelid sea. The gelid Arctic Sea froze around the boat. Yeah. Captain Scott and his doomed adventure in the gelid Arctic wastes. Okay, but I think a gelid look, a gelid stare. He stared at me gelidly. Yeah, it sounds very neat. It sounds quite literary. It's quite a good phrase. Yeah, a gelid Arctic climate, a gelid day. The gelid winds came from the North Pole. Yeah, so glacial, freezing, wintry. Yeah, Arctic, but bitter cold. Yeah, gelid is much stronger than cold, and that's why it's quite a nice word. It's quite intense. Yeah. Okay, so this a gelid character that would not open up and let people get to know him. Yeah, so gelid, frozen, cold, frosty. I think it's a good word to describe a winter landscape. Yeah, the gelid polar wastes, something that's freezing cold. Okay, formality. This is not such a common word. I think I'm going to give this 6.5 in formality, maybe a 7. I wouldn't use it informally. Cold, frozen, something like that informally. Freezing. Use it in a semi-formal writing, definitely, or a formal writing or a poem or something like that. Semi-formal conversation, maybe just about. I think it might work in a semi-formal conversation as well. And then, as to origin, this comes from Latin, gelidus, meaning cold, from gelu, frost. Okay, so come on. When I arrived at the house, the atmosphere was gelid. Yeah. Clearly there had been a horrible argument going on. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Gelid.